we are gonna put.
Wait, there's already a thing.
I know. We're gonna put marshmallows in the microwave. Let's see what happens. All right, Annabelle, you ready? Boom, chicka, boom. Okay, how long do you think we should put them in there?
We'll start with 1 minute.
1 minute? Okay. 1 minute? That's a long time. I can't see it in there.
Whoa.
Let's see what happens. No, we gotta. Whoa, they're getting really big. Huh? They're huge. Do you want me to turn it off now?
Here, let's turn it off.
Huh? Hurry. They're huge. Come on.
Hurry.
You gotta get a spoon. Get a spoon.
Is there a spoon?
There's spoons.
Hurry.
This one's mine.
Yummy.
They get big.
Hey?
Uh-huh.
Mmm.